Welcome to OTAN, your Outreach and Technical Assistance Network.
I am excited to share with you a Chrome extension called Loom. Loom allows you to quickly record a video message or screencast and then share it immediately with students or colleagues. Let's take a look. First, I need to go to www.useloom.com and select one-click install. I'm going to add the extension, and I'm going to use it with my Google account so I can easily send email messages to my students. And we'll click this. Once you have an account, you're ready to record. So let's get started. I'm going to make a short recording about OTAN. So I need to select the icon for Loom in the upper right-hand corner. And now I have several choices. I can record my screen and cam. This lets students see you as you are discussing a particular web page. You can also move your picture around, put it in a different location. And as you notice, there's different sizes too. So you can select a different size. I can do screen only or cam only. So you have several different options here. I'm going to do screen only, and I'm going to start my recording. I have a choice of the screen, and I want this one, so I'm going to say share that screen. And I'd like to tell you about OTAN's website. This is the President's Day weekend, so there is something about the offices being closed. But what I want to show you is teaching tools and resources and teaching with technology. When I'm finished with my recording, I just click the checkbox. And there is my video. I can share my video by Twitter, Facebook, Gmail. I can embed it. I can use a link. I can also go down here and I can edit it now, which is pretty exciting. And this here just gives you your options. So that's a quick and easy way to create a video. What I like best about Loom is the way it integrates with Gmail and Outlook accounts. Let me show you. I'm going to compose a new email, and down at the bottom is the Loom icon, so I'm going to click it, and I can create a new recording, one of the videos that I have in my files, or I can put in the most recent recording. So I'm going to do that. And it actually inserts a video player directly into your email. I think that is so cool. Give Loom a try and see how you like it.
Thank you, and as a reminder, OTAN supports California adult education agencies who are integrating, improving, and maintaining technology use in the classroom. Always stay informed by visiting the OTAN website at www.otan.us, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.